Hey YouTubies, so you want to change your 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords oil. To do the oil change, you're going to need a filter of some sort. If you can get the official Honda oil filter, it is a 15400 PLM A02, I believe. Or, I got a Bosch here, Bosch ST3323 oil, about 4.4 or 4.5 quarts. And this is the 5W20. Hondas use metric, and so you need 17 millimeters should work. I've got a mix of things to use. Maybe some gloves. Light helps. This is a pop-up light. See if I can. There we go. You need that, and you will also need to drain the oil into and bring it to the disposal. You might actually need one of these to get the old filter off if you're having trouble. We're gonna see how that goes. I like to start by loosening the top of the oil. There we go. That wasn't too bad. So underneath the car, this is where we will be opening up and releasing the old oil into the pan. You can see I've got it kind of lined up. Hope this works. Okay. Whew. There we go. Okay, got it loosened now. Sure hope this doesn't focus. Oh, it's still tight. This will be messy. I'll have to fish it out when it's finished. Probably pretty good. Wipe this a little bit, still drips. So I'm going to try to put this back in. Or I could just drop it back in. Whoopsie daisy. You have almost no room in here, so very tight. There it is. Get in there. Start to maneuver that away. I don't have a torque wrench, so we'll just hope that this is good enough to check for leaks. There. Voila! Now the next part is fun too. How am I going to film this? So, up in here is the filter. Okay. to use a tool. Worst part about this is there's like no room at all. Ow. I'm grabbing my finger. Oops. Doesn't even fit on it. It's too small. Yeah, just twist it off. Just twist it off. Oh, fuck. It's moving. Let's do a shot where it's not fucking... whatever. Where it's not so hard. Let's see. Oops. They're getting oil all over. So we got our old oil filter and we got our new one. Let's get our oil. Probably shouldn't, I should have wore bad pants. That's my problem. Open that up. Got some oil. Now you want to lube up the inside of your, let's get some, there we go. Lube up the around your new filter. You can reach your hands up in here somehow. And you can tighten it. So I got some cardboard under there so I can see if there's any leaks or if I didn't tighten anything enough. And now the fun part. We get ourselves a funnel. What is this? Oh, huh. That's weird. It came off of the Anyways, hopefully you won't run into as much trouble as me. We got this, and we're just gonna pour our oil in. A lot of these have a way you can measure. You see it says quart 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need about 4.5, 4.4. So I'm just gonna fill this up, and then I'll show you what to do after that. So just start to pour. So we've got this pushed down, this back on, and we're gonna run the car for a little bit, for a few minutes, and we're gonna test where the level is. So take this out, and we're gonna clean it off. I'm trying to do this with one hand as hard. I don't know if that looks like enough. So it should be somewhere in between the two holes. Mine looks decent. I could actually get away with a little bit more, so maybe I'll put a little bit more. Now for the ending part, you'll want to reset that oil light. Let's turn the car on a second. I'll let it run a little bit. Okay. So you see the oil life. If your oil life isn't showing, you'll have to hit this a few times to get it to that screen. So when you're on the oil life, hold the button, the little stick button, hold it down till it starts flashing. Up, 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 up. Okay, so it starts flashing, let go. Now hold it down again until it stops. I think that worked. There, oil life 100%. There you go, magic. Just make sure you actually did the oil change before you do that. Yeah, have fun everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Have a happy car stuff. I hope I wish you good luck with your car fixins. I know it's probably cheaper to just go get someone else to do it, but in these Covioid 1918 whatever, this flue, you might want to do it yourself. So there you go, now you know.